Actionariat Wallet Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to my Actionariat Wallet Full Review. Links to this product and related resources are in the description below. Actionariat Wallet is a cutting-edge crypto wallet specifically designed to support tokenized equity and decentralized finance. It caters primarily to businesses and investors interested in tokenizing shares or managing digital securities efficiently within a secure, user-friendly ecosystem. One of the standout features of the Aktionariat Wallet is its seamless integration with Aktionariat's ecosystem, allowing companies to tokenize and manage their shares on the blockchain. This makes it an excellent tool for businesses exploring innovative ways to raise funds, simplify ownership structures, or enable peer-to-peer trading of equity without the need for intermediaries. Investors, on the other hand, can use the wallet to store and manage these tokenized shares with full transparency and control. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning users retain complete ownership of their private keys, enhancing security and trust. Additionally, it supports decentralized trading directly from the wallet, enabling instant peer-to-peer equity transactions. Its interface is streamlined for ease of use, ensuring accessibility for both tech-savvy users and newcomers to the blockchain space. Another major advantage is the wallet's compliance with Swiss regulatory standards, making it particularly appealing to businesses and investors within or connected to the Swiss financial ecosystem. While the Actionariat Wallet has many strengths, it also comes with a few limitations. First, it is niche-specific, which may limit its appeal to users outside the realm of tokenized equity. Traditional crypto traders or DeFi users might find its features less relevant to their needs. Additionally, as it focuses on a regulatory-compliant ecosystem, some may find its setup and operational process slightly more complex compared to standard crypto wallets. In summary, Actionariat Wallet is a specialized tool designed for tokenized equity management, making it a strong contender for businesses and investors in this niche. Its robust security, regulatory compliance, and seamless functionality within the Actionariat ecosystem make it a powerful solution for modern equity management. However, its appeal is primarily confined to those engaged in tokenized securities, so it may not suit broader crypto needs.